It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of October. I'm James Spann. Kind of cloudyish and damp and drizzly today with an upper trough overhead. Now let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network at the insane hour of 5 a.m. There's a look at the Cheehawk Skycam, and they're in the clouds, as you might expect, up in Alabama's highest mountain. That's south of Anniston. Peak elevation there, 2,407 feet. And they had almost 2 inches of rain yesterday. A lot of rain up there. There's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Looks a little drizzly there. That's from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. And pretty much the same deal in downtown Jasper up in Walker County, as seen from the King Building. Ooh, boy, deep upper trough. The axis is still west of here. And really until that clears, the weather will be kind of showery. Temperatures early this morning are in the 30s and 40s up north. And it's going to be a cool day. We'll stay in the 60s all day today. And with the lack of sun, it'll probably feel cooler than 65 or 66. And a little light rain at times. Of course, any severe weather way northeast of here, places like Cincinnati might have a strong to severe storm today. There's the rain for the next 5 days. Not much. This is valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is showing barely enough to measure, and that would be with a little light rain in scattered spots today. Hey, Nadine is the storm that won't go away. It's been out there for 20 days, and the record in the Atlantic Basin is 28. I don't think it makes that record, and I think the global record is 31, but still, it's in the top 10. And it's finally going to become post-tropical late this week, finally. And again, we note that other wave in the tropical Atlantic, not to worry about that one because it's a recurver. You know, with this big troughing action around here, there's no hope of any of those reaching us. So look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Big trough. Off to the west and down below that, the surface low that was west of the state yesterday should be over Kentucky today. And again, cloudy, cool, drizzly, temperatures not getting past. They're going to sit still all day long. Some folks will just sit in the low 60s. It's going to be a cool day. Look, now, tomorrow the trough axis is still a little west of here. And there's the surface chart, and it shows no rain. And I do think that it should be a mostly dry day, but with that cold air aloft, you have to wonder if there might be a little shower somewhere, but most everybody should be dry. And we should go back up at the 70s tomorrow. And ooh, look at the snow in Montana. Wow, that's a good-looking snowstorm up there. Yikes. All right, Thursday, the flow flattens out, and down below that should be a nice day, sunny with low 80s as we warm back up a little bit. And the same thing on Friday. And look at the cold air coming down the pike over the northern plains, snow up there. Wow. And let's go to Saturday as we start the weekend. Here comes the cold front. And again, this is the coldest air so far this season. Temperatures way below freezing up in Minnesota and Wisconsin. And you see a band of showers ahead of that front. And that will be creeping in here Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Showers are possible, but they should be widely spaced. I don't think it's going to be a big deal because of limited moisture. So a chance of widely scattered showers Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. And woo, boy, look at that cold look on Sunday. Big old ridge pumped up over the Gulf of Alaska, downstream trough over the eastern half of the United States. And here comes that cool air. A nice cool breeze. Temperatures will be only in these thickness values are right, low to mid 60s. And up in maybe the Tennessee Valley, they'll stay in the 50s all day. And there's Monday, and that'll be a beautiful fall day. Blue sky, cool morning. In fact, there's a look at the temperatures Monday morning. I think that would suggest lows in the 37 to 44 degree range around here. How about them apples? And Tuesday of next week, still just gorgeous, beautiful, cool morning, comfortable day. We'll check the end of the forecast, October the 17th, just for fun of it. And there's no skill and specifics out here. We're just looking for trends. Big upper low in the northeast, and woo, buddy, if this is right, how about an October blizzard for some of those big interior cities up in the northeast? And yeah, this is all voodoo, but again, it's clearly a cool-looking pattern out there. And cool is a good word. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.